Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how you can merge two tickets into one in Zendesk. So in order to do that, open up your browser and log into your website, and after you reach your dashboard, go to view, then just go to your tickets, and now you can select any one of the tickets you want to merge. For example, I want to merge this. So you can just simply go to the top right corner and click the three dot icon and then click merge into another ticket. Then a pop-up window will appear where you can either search your ticket ID or either you can just simply select a ticket shown in the bottom section. For me, I will choose the ticket ID number 1. And now you can see which ticket is merging to which one. And down below you will also find a button which you can check and uncheck. What this basically does is it will send a notification to the customer or the agent that you have merged the ticket. If you will uncheck it, they won't get a notification. So I will just uncheck it, and then after unchecking them, I will just click on confirm and merge. As you can see, I can no longer access the ticket number 2 because it was merged into the ticket number 1. So I will just click on ticket number 1, and here it is, both the ticket merge into one, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.